In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to remove a contact, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Sorry, misclick. And confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Then drag the chosen ones to access a perfect list, like that. And when you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!